my high school year, from 83 to 86. International racing. I might have to pull up in there, see what he got.